Welcome to another 1 Minute Wednesday, where we try our best to cover one of Desk Director's many features in about a minute. This week, we will teach you how to edit custom email template. Open the Desk Director admin portal and navigate to the email section. Select Custom Template to manage or modify email templates for ticket events. Click on Ticket Created to edit the associated template. Then, choose the new Ticket Created template to make your changes. In the code section, you can insert MJML code to add sections or controls to the email. The preview section will display a live preview of the email template, including any modifications you make. Let's add a new row to display ticket priority in the email table. Click in the code block and type the code required to add a new row. Type out the title for this new table row. Let's title it Priority. To include the ticket's priority value, click on the Tokens tab. You'll find tokens for various ticket properties here. Click the copy icon next to the ticketpriority.name token to add it. Return to the code page and click in the code section to add the token. Paste the copied ticketpriority.name token. In the preview, you should now see the new row labeled Priority. Next, click on the Settings tab. Select the template text box to edit the subject line. Enter a new email subject line of your choice. Then, click Preview to review the updated subject line. To add tags to this template, click on Add Tag. Choose the tag you want to include and then click Save to apply the changes. You'll see that the new ticket created email template now includes the ticket priority. That's all for today's 1 Minute Wednesday. Editing custom email template in Desk Director is very easy. See you again next time.